Thinking.
Are they the soft ones or you want to try it? No? You like strawberry milk, but you have to be grateful for whatever God gives you, so you will take what you have. It's hot, my bad. Don't touch it. You're gonna have bad bones if you drink milk. Yes, Grandma, thank you. You want milk? No, thank you, Grandma. Agarré el gatito que estaba chingando tanto. Oh my God, you should have seen her. Highland. Tina, when we got her the cat, she was like, I can't take care of it, Mom. I'm so tired. She was like, yeah, so when she said that, like in the night, she started crying. I walked in the restroom to calm down the cat, like, I was like, petting her, like. And then one time I was working. She texted, and she's like, Mom, I don't know what's wrong with this cat. It doesn't let me do nothing. And then she's like, look, my brother's just playing. And he's not helping me with the cat. I'm like, Athena, you're the one that wanted the cat.
Well, it is true.
It is true. You're the one that wanted the cat. Your brother's not blame me. And I helped with the cat. Pero ya me estaba molestando. I sent her a message and I said, Athena, I'm tired of my face. So le mandé una foto like the one she sent me. Oh, you could have put it in the sink.
A ver, ¿qué quieren?
Not to cut your hair though.
Tell me.
No, I'm not going to cut my hair, just makeup.
Esteban,
Only
stop.
makeup, and then I will wipe on my
Esteban. I will. It's
Glitter
just...
10 es no, está bien. Elías se va a graduar este año de la elementaria. Va a subir al cuarto. So ella se graduó en 2 años más de la elementaria. ¿Sí? Está bien. Oh, no, entonces sí, está bien.